In El Salvador, you get good Nicaraguan beef, and we sure make the most of it. But this episode is about the more traditional foods you can find in the country. So let's get started.
Just pulled up at a restaurant here on the beautiful Pacific coast. We met up with Hourless Life, our friends from America. And looking forward to eating some marisco seafood. Here they are. Hey, Eric. Good to see you. Yeah. Gracias. So we're here at the Hammock Plantation Hostel in on the beach near El Tunco in El Salvador, and we're camping here with our friends from Hourless Life. They're right over here. Well, their rig is. They're in the pool. That's where we are headed.
What's on the grill? Bread? No meat? Let's have a look over here. That's garlic ciabattas with bratwurst and ribs. Yum, yum.
Campsite's the quiet as it's been all day now.
We're all got our faces scratched.
So here we are at Palmasita Beach. It's near El Tunco, and it's a Sunday evening, and boy is it busy. Look at these waves. I don't think we'll be swimming.
Ok, ¿tiene ostras?
Sí, tengo ostras. Tengo de 25, 20
sí.
y $10.
$10, la docena.
La docena.
Ok. All I wanted, eating some oysters here in El Salvador. Gracias. Gracias. Good. I love it.
Look at that, a dozen oysters.
Yes. Oh, beautiful. Right. So how do you like El Salvador so far?
I love it. It's so nice. Every country is just so wonderful, but here the people have been so friendly. They're
very welcoming.
Very open.
Oh yeah.
They'll just stop you.
And the oysters I just ate.
It's a joyful atmosphere. So
yeah, it's beautiful. Sand fights. Oh no! You gotta wash it out. These kids. Yeah. All right. We're parting ways for a few days, and we'll meet up again
On the border.
on the border to
El Salvador to Honduras.
Thank you very much. Bye. It's a soup. Sopita. Muchas gracias. Pupusas, sí.
Super famous in El Salvador. Part of our El Salvador meat special today is going to a pupuseria, the most famous national cuisine of El Salvador, and we're hoping to find some filled with chicharron. So wish us luck.
Well, I ordered one especial, one con chicharrón and one con pollo, and also uno con frijol.
Oh, okay, Joey.
Zoe likes frijol, yeah.
You ordered loco?
Esa más grande ahí es loca, ¿no?
Se llama loco.
7 Up.
This one?
Okay, the lady's showing us how she makes the pupusa here. So obviously she takes a bit of corn dough and she pats it flat and then she puts the filling in. All right, let's see. Here we got the filling. Yep. And then she forms. There you go. Technique. Very good. And then it goes on the hobs. Here we go. Una frijol.
Una especial
Una especial.
y dos pollos.
Y dos pollos. Gracias. We have 2 with chicken. 1 special that has everything in it. And this one's with beans, frijoles. This is the most popular dish here in El Salvador, pupusas. You see it everywhere. This is a pupuseria, for instance. They do nothing else.
And
No.
you can either have it made with corn flour or rice flour.
Yeah,
We've
but-
actually tried both.
We did,
Here-
but I think that was a bit of a unique kind of thing with the rice one. Usually it is corn. Usually it is
it's
corn,
only
yeah.
corn.
Yeah. And it's got apart from the filling, it's got always cheese. Always.
Like a quesadilla.
Yes. All right, let's dig in.
Especial with everything in it. Yeah, that's full of flavor.
Nice.
Yeah, it's good. These are very nice. We read that this is one of the best pupuserias in El Salvador, so
Oh wow.
it would happen to be on our route today.
Yeah, in the middle of nowhere. Okay, let me try this. Okay.
I know, hot.
Nice.
It is, isn't it? Ah, the salsas. Gracias.
Okay.
So the garnishes are here. Not too sure what they are. Some sort of coleslaw.
Coleslaw, and this is like pickled onion and carrots and. Oh, that smells good. Pickled. How do you get it out?
Everything with your hands.
No, here.
Ah, there we go.
Okay.
So you put it on your pupusa.
So,
Yeah.
kind of form a little taco. Not easy. Oh, cauliflower, everything.
Wow. You get your veggies.
Oh man, that's hot.
Good?
Ah, actually that works with the acidity of the pickled.
And the vinegar. Now you can see the melted cheese. Look at that.
Mmm.
Oil.
Pollo. Exactly. And the special has everything in it. So this is,
Pollo is really nice too.
yeah, I bet. Yeah. I mean, you can hardly tell what's in it anyway. It's so much cheese and corn. And the meat or whatever they put in there is a paste anyway. So
it's not
yeah.
crunchy. Solid
No,
pieces.
it's never.
Like in a taco, you would have your asado, which
Yep.
is chunky pieces of meat, grilled meat, but here it's all turned into a paste. Even the chicharron.
Yeah. But they are good. I love it.
It works. The acidity is what you said.
Yeah.
Yum.
Yeah, really good. It's a little spicy too.
Yep.
Nice. Okay. Well, I have to stop filming here because it's gonna get messy. Okay, we checked out the pupuserias and how they're made. Now they want to check out our casa rodante. Okay, let's go. Por favor. Sí. Sí. Tenemos todo, tenemos una cocina, refrigerador, cama, baño. No, por favor, sí, adelante. Ya. Y para cocinar, tengo un asador y sí, con carbón. Sí, sí.
Está muy bonito.
Gracias. 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 Hasta luego. Yeah, nice little stop here at the Papusaria, Christy.
Lovely.
And not even expensive, right? We paid like $5.90.
Included 2 7-Ups, 2 drinks.
Yeah,
as
2
well.
drinks and 4 pupusas. Nah, very good.
Yeah.
Very nice. We are here in Suchitoto. Yes, that's the word, Suchitoto. Blue Hour, beautiful light show here at the church. And yeah, cobblestone roads. It is a bit like Antigua, little Antigua of El Salvador. Smells good. Papusas on the grill. Oh yeah. Well, we spent the quiet night here at this church parking lot. We're gonna go and check out Suchitoto, the town, Antigua of El Salvador, and then we are hitting the road again. Drive close to the border of Honduras. Spent the last night here in El Salvador and cross the border tomorrow morning. It's now May, almost end of May, and the rainy season has begun this very week. Yeah, so it rains a lot more, and it is much more humid. It's muggy actually, and there is more clouds, and yeah, this is rainy season, May to November. Yeah. So we drove to the lake of Suchitoto here. Artificial lake. They have boats, ferries, everything. So we found a friend. What are you looking for, Zoe? A walking stick. Okay. Yeah, these guys are joining us for lunch. Very cool. I love Salvadorians. Where is it? Yeah, let's have a look. What's out there? Sopa de gallina India. And here are drinks. Very good.
So the second part of our meat special is to eat some typical meat specialties. And we have found our wonderful friends here who are talking us through the menu, and they say the most typical thing apart from papusas is the gallina de India, which India is nothing to do with the country, it's to do with organic. So it's without hormones, treatment, and that is what you're seeing on all the menus. And we are probably going to take a sopa de gallina, which is a soup with the gallina next to it, and then we'll probably try the gallina India as well, right?
Sure. Yeah. And of course the pupusas if they have any. Can't have enough pupusas. Ooh, la sopa de gallina. India. Sopa de gallina. Gracias. So that's how it comes. You get a soup and you get a piece of grilled chicken.
Not your ordinary chicken soup. You do not have it in the soup. You have your chicken on the side.
Oh, I like that.
And yeah, so great for meat lovers. So let's try the chicken first.
Yeah, looks good.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay.
Nice and juicy.
Yeah.
And the soup.
Soup. Let's try.
Hope it's not too hot.
Uh-huh. Good broth? Yeah. Would you say it's like a broth?
Yeah, definitely.
Vegetable broth
Yep.
and chicken.
Lots of herbs, yeah.
Beautiful. So that's
Very
a
typical, in
typical
El
meal
Salvador.
here. Pupusas and sopa de gallina. Oh, that's a good soup, man. Very good soup. Very good. I'll leave you the chicken, but I'll
Thank
have
you,
some of
because
mine.
it's too tasty
Because-
to
yeah.
share.
It's actually a good chicken.
Well made, right? It's not dry.
Very good.
Yeah.
I'm here again.
Gallina de India.
India. India means all
Organic.
natural, organic. Very good.
Very curious.
Gracias, gracias. So, what do you think to food, well, meat in El Salvador, Reggie?
Well, we had sopa de gallina. That was very good. Grilled chicken with the soup. Very tasty, very nice.
They salted it well, actually.
Yeah, very nice. And we had lots of pupusas and filled with pollo, chicharron, and all sorts.
But overall, I mean, we're on our way to Honduras tomorrow.
Yeah.
Overall, El Salvador has left a very good impression on us.
A very good taste in our mouth.
Yes. And as you saw, both with the pupusas and with the gallina today, we're always meeting people. Food is about meeting people as well, and we are
absolutely.
meat around the world.
Yeah.
Not just meat, but meeting people.
We just made 3 new friends here.
Yep.
Emilia, Lily, and the boy was
Dominique.
Dominique. Yeah.
Yes, and we got on really well with him. And yeah, that's what it's all about.
Yeah,
So thanks
sharing
for
food.
watching.
Yeah,
Don't
thanks
forget
for
to
watching.
subscribe.
Like
if
and
you
subscribe.
liked our show, hit that like button. And we'll see you soon. Meet around the world.
Yeah, media around the world. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Well, that's where we spend our last night here in El Salvador. Tomorrow morning we're going over the border to Honduras.
And we're at Hotel Maya, and they will only let us camp if we pay in their restaurant. So we're going to eat again. Second time today.
I don't mind. We're organizing our border crossing of tomorrow to Honduras. Yeah, here we come. So these are tacos hondureños. Getting warmed up for Honduras.